Welcome to Wisdom of Legends. Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination encircles the world. These words by Albert Einstein encapsulate the very essence of a man who defied conventional thinking and ventured into realms where no one had dared tread. His life, full of curiosity, philosophical depth, and relentless pursuit of truth, continues to illuminate our understanding of the universe. Born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, Albert Einstein's early years seemed unremarkable. As a child, he was slow to speak, leading his parents to worry he might be developmentally delayed. But a peculiar event changed everything. At 5, when his father handed him a compass, the young boy was captivated. Why did the needle point north, regardless of its orientation? This moment sparked a lifelong fascination with the unseen forces of nature. Reflecting on this, Einstein later remarked, "The important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing." Einstein's school years were tumultuous. The rigid Prussian education system frustrated him, with its emphasis on rote memorization over creativity. One teacher bluntly told him, "You will never amount to anything." Yet, young Albert preferred delving into subjects that genuinely piqued his interest. By age 12, he had mastered geometry on his own and was beginning to explore the works of great thinkers such as Immanuel Kant. It was clear that this boy, though misunderstood by his teachers, possessed a mind that would one day redefine humanity's understanding of the cosmos. A person who never made a mistake never tried anything new, Einstein once said, and his life was full of both failures and triumphs. After finishing his studies at the Polytechnic Institute in Zurich in 1900, he struggled to find a job. For 2 years, he faced rejection after rejection until finally landing a position as a patent examiner in Bern, Switzerland. It was here, in the quiet hours of his mundane work reviewing inventions, that Einstein began formulating ideas that would revolutionize physics. In 1905, Einstein's Annus Mirabilis, his miracle year, ushered in an intellectual revolution. Within just a few months, he published 4 groundbreaking papers. One introduced the theory of special relativity, a concept that shattered Newtonian mechanics and fundamentally altered our understanding of space and time. This theory birthed the iconic equation, E equals mc squared. E equals mc squared, which demonstrated the profound relationship between energy and mass. Another paper explained the photoelectric effect, proving light's dual nature as both a particle and a wave, and earning him the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Reflecting on these achievements, Einstein humbly stated, "I have no special talents. I'm only passionately curious." But his crowning achievement came a decade later in 1915 with the general theory of relativity. Einstein proposed that gravity was not a force, but the warping of space and time by massive objects. This was a radical departure from Newton's ideas, and one that even Einstein doubted could be proven. Then, in 1919, during a solar eclipse, scientists confirmed his predictions when they observed starlight bending around the sun. The discovery thrust Einstein into global fame, a status he found both exhilarating and burdensome. Yet, he never let recognition cloud his humility, often stating, "The more I learn, the more I realize how much I don't know." Einstein was not just a physicist. He was a philosopher, a humanist, and a visionary. He believed deeply in the power of wonder, stating, "The most beautiful thing we can experience is the mysterious." It is the source of all true art and science. For him, science was not merely a collection of facts, but a journey into the unknown, a means to uncover the universe's grand symphony. This perspective imbued his work with a poetic quality that resonated far beyond academia. However, his legacy is intertwined with ethical dilemmas. In 1939, as Hitler's regime threatened global stability, Einstein co-signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt, warning that Germany might develop nuclear weapons. This act spurred the Manhattan Project, leading to the atomic bomb's creation. Einstein, who abhorred violence, was devastated by the bombings of Hiroshima and Nagasaki. He later lamented, "The unleashed power of the atom has changed everything save our modes of thinking, and thus we drift toward unparalleled catastrophe." In his later years, Einstein became a vocal advocate for peace, nuclear disarmament, and civil rights. Peace cannot be kept by force. It can only be achieved by understanding, he said, emphasizing dialogue and empathy as the cornerstones of a harmonious society. Despite his scientific brilliance, he remained deeply attuned to humanity's moral struggles, often cautioning against blind technological progress without ethical consideration. Einstein's personal life was as colorful as his intellectual pursuits. Known for his wild hair, disheveled clothing, and sharp wit, he delighted in poking fun at himself. Once, when asked for his thoughts on fashion, he quipped, "If most of us are ashamed of shabby clothes and shabby furniture, let us be more ashamed of shabby ideas and shabby philosophies." Yet his eccentricity belied a profound respect for simplicity and authenticity. He treated everyone with kindness, saying, "I speak to everyone in the same way, whether he is the garbage man or the president of the university." Even in his final days, Einstein's curiosity never waned. On his deathbed in 1955, he continued working on equations, striving to unify the forces of nature. His last words, spoken in German, went unrecorded as the attending nurse did not understand the language. But perhaps his most enduring message lies in his earlier writings. Strive not to be a success, but rather to be of value. As we reflect on his legacy, Einstein's words resonate with timeless wisdom. Life is like riding a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving. This simple yet profound metaphor captures the essence of human resilience and progress. He taught us not only to understand the world, but to marvel at it, to see beyond what is and dream of what could be. Towards the end of his life, Einstein often shared insights that transcended science, offering profound philosophical reflections. Only a life lived for others is a life worthwhile. Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. The world is a dangerous place to live, not because of the people who are evil, but because of the people who don't do anything about it. Einstein's enduring appeal lies in his ability to bridge the gap between intellect and humanity. His life reminds us that curiosity, imagination, and compassion are not only the keys to innovation, but also to a meaningful existence. As he once beautifully summarized, "I want to know God's thoughts. The rest are details." Albert Einstein's influence goes beyond his scientific contributions. His legacy lives in the work of every scientist who continues to explore the mysteries of the universe and in the hearts of those who seek to make the world a better place. His life is proof that one individual's ideas can have a profound impact on the world. And as we continue to look to the stars and delve deeper into the fabric of reality, Einstein's insights remind us of the infinite possibilities that await when we dare to think differently. Watch now to discover the extraordinary life of a man who reshaped our understanding of the universe and changed the course of history forever. Thank you for watching Wisdom of Legends. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any interesting videos. We'll keep accompanying you on your journey through life. Stay tuned. See you next time.